Guys, don't sleep on this opportunity. If you've been searching for a country where you can legally work, earn a good salary, enjoy one of the highest qualities of life in Europe, and even move with your family later, then today's video is for you. Denmark is facing a serious shortage of workers across multiple industries. Companies are actively looking beyond Europe because they simply cannot find enough employees locally. And here's the mind-blowing part. If you qualify and secure an employer willing to sponsor you, you can earn around 3,500 euros per month, sometimes even more depending on your occupation. Denmark continues to recruit qualified foreign workers through different work permit pathways, including occupations on shortage lists and other employer-sponsored roles. This creates opportunities for skilled professionals and for many practical jobs where employers value reliability, willingness to learn, and experience over formal education. That's why 2026 could be one of the best years to position yourself before competition becomes even stronger. Top jobs hiring in Denmark. Let's look at the industries creating the biggest opportunities. 1. Healthcare. Healthcare remains one of Denmark's biggest shortages. Common positions include nurses, care assistants, elderly care workers, social care workers, medical specialists. Monthly salaries typically range between 4,000 euros and 6,500 euros, depending on qualifications and experience. Healthcare workers are consistently among the most sought-after professionals because Denmark's aging population continues to increase demand for medical services. 2. Construction. Construction is another booming sector. Companies regularly hire electricians, plumbers, welders, bricklayers, carpenters, general construction workers. Salaries generally range from 3,300 euros to 5,000 euros per month. Large infrastructure projects and housing developments continue to drive recruitment across the country. 3. Manufacturing and production. If you're looking for jobs that may not require a university degree, pay attention to this one. Manufacturers frequently recruit machine operators, production workers, assembly workers, food processing workers, packaging operators. Monthly salaries often fall between 2,900 euros and 4,000 euros depending on the employer, shift patterns, and experience. 4. Logistics and warehousing. This is one sector many of you ask about. Roles include warehouse workers, forklift operators, pickers and packers, inventory assistants, logistics coordinators. Salaries usually range from 2,800 euros to 3,800 euros per month. If you already have warehouse or logistics experience, your profile can become much more attractive to employers. 5. Information technology. Technology continues to be one of Denmark's fastest-growing sectors. Companies recruit software developers, cybersecurity specialists, data analysts, cloud engineers, AI specialists. Monthly salaries commonly range between 5,000 euros and 8,000 euros, with highly experienced professionals earning even more. The country continues investing heavily in digital transformation, creating long-term demand for skilled tech talent. Step-by-step roadmap. Here's exactly how you should approach this strategically. Step 1. Prepare a professional CV. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. Highlight measurable achievements. Include relevant work experience. List practical skills. Tailor your CV for every application instead of sending the same version everywhere. Step 2. Search for verified jobs. Use official platforms like workindenmark.dk, jobsinenglish.dk, jobindex.dk /?lang=n. These are excellent starting points for finding legitimate vacancies and understanding Denmark's work permit process. Step 3. Apply consistently. Many successful applicants receive several rejections before getting that one life-changing offer. Consistency wins. Step 4. Attend interviews. Research the company. Practice common interview questions. Be honest about your experience. Demonstrate reliability and willingness to learn. Employers appreciate candidates who are motivated and prepared. Step 5. Receive your job offer. Once you're selected, your employer will provide the documentation needed for the work permit process. You then submit your application through the appropriate Danish immigration procedures and wait for a decision before making travel arrangements. Never pay anyone promising guaranteed jobs or guaranteed visas. Real employers recruit based on qualifications and genuine vacancies. Always verify opportunities through official sources. Guys, Denmark isn't just offering jobs. It's offering the chance to build a better future in one of Europe's strongest economies with excellent working conditions and a high quality of life. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity, this could be the year to prepare seriously. Start improving your CV. Apply consistently. Focus on genuine employers. Stay patient because one successful application can completely change your future. Now I want to hear from you. Which country are you watching from, and which sector in Denmark interests you the most? Drop your answer in the comments because I read them all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, so more people can discover these opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.